Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Good students. Okay, shall we learn now accountancy? Take your accountancy book and the note next to you. Okay, and turn to page number 231 in the accountancy book. Yesterday we have seen the company accounts to prepare the journal entries, isn't it? If the shares are issued for cash at par, that means at the face value, that is called at par. Okay, now today we will see the under subscription. Now we know how they issue shares. They will issue a prospectus, that means they are offering the public to apply for their shares, isn't it? Sometimes the more applications they may receive or less applications they will receive. Okay, so if they receive less number of shares, if they have that public has subscribed less than the shares offered to the public, that is called under subscription. Okay, or the number of shares of the subscribed is less than the number of shares offered, that is called under subscription. Here, that means if they have subscribed, if they have offered to the public around 1 lakh shares, and if 90,000 shares are subscribed by the public, then all the 90,000 shares will be allotted. Okay, so 10,000 they may not receive. Okay, so that 1 lakh we should not consider, we should consider only that 90,000 for allotment, then application, allotment, then first call, final call, everything. We should not take that 10,000 shares, only the 9,000 shares we need to take. Okay, that is the difference between the previous problem and this problem. Okay, so same thing, a little difference will be there for each and every heading. Okay, that you have to understand. So let us see that illustration what is given in the book. See, Joy Company issued 10,000 equity shares at rupees 10 per share payable. Rupees 5 on application, 3 on allotment, 2 on first call and final call. So only one call. The public subscribed 9,000 shares. Okay, 10,000 they have issued. Okay, that means offered for subscription, but only 9,000 have been subscribed. The directors allotted all the 9,000 shares and duly received the money, passed the necessary journal entries. Here you should forget about this 10,000. Okay. So, see, first entry is receiving the application money. That is the first procedure. Bank account debtor to equity share application. Equity share. So, we write equity share application account. Application money received. 9,000 into application money, how much? 5. So, 9 into 5, 45, 30. So, 45,000. Then that one application money transferred to share capital account. So equity share application we need to debit and we should credit equity share capital account. Then transfer of application money to share capital account, same amount. Then next one, allotment, that due, first entry. That this one, equity share application, second entry. No, here instead of application we should write allotment. Okay, so equity share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account. Here you should write allotment money due. Okay, now how much is allotment? 3 on allotment. So 3 into 9,000, 27,000. Okay, then receiving this allotment money. So now bank account debtor to equity share allotment account. We should credit the equity share allotment account. Allotment money received. Then first call, first and final call, isn't it? Rupees 2. So equity, then this one. Instead of share allotment, we should write share first and final call. So equity share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital, call money due. Then bank account debtor to equity share first and final call account, call money received. Now Here 2 on first and final call into 9,000 shares, so 18,000. Okay, that's all. So shall we do the exercise here? Second one, Sambat company issued 25,000 shares at rupees 10 per share payable, 3 on application, 4 on allotment, 3 on first and final call. Public subscribed for 24,000 shares. Directors allotted all the 24,000 shares and received the money duly. Pass necessary journal entries. So here you should forget about this 25,000. Here we have taken only the 50,000, isn't it? But here 25,000 shares have not been subscribed. So what they have subscribed only that shares we have to take. So for application 24,000 into 3. Then for allotment 24,000 into 4. First and final call 24,000 into 3. Okay, that you have to remember. Now we will prepare the journal entries. So first write the number. Number 2, journal entries. First in the books of Sambat. For journal entry, we know only one page, isn't it? Journal entries. Okay, date, all the column we have to write. Okay, date, particulars, LF, then debit, credit. So here no date is given, isn't it? So first entry, what? Receiving the application money. So bank account debtor to, here equity is not given. Okay, so you can write simply share application. Application account, you write fully. Okay, then share application money received. Okay, 24,000 into 3 application. Okay, 24 into 3, so 12, 72,000. Now transfer of share application money to share capital account. So we have to debit the share application account. Share application account debtor to share capital account. Share application money transferred to share capital account. Okay, same amount 72,000. Okay. Then next entry for the allotment, isn't it? For that one, you should see this second entry. Okay, here application we have written, you have to write allotment. So what is the entry? Share allotment account debtor to share capital account. Okay, share allotment money due. Okay, what is the that share allotment? 4 on allotment. So we need to multiply. Okay, 16 balance 1, 96,000. Now we receive this one. Okay, should not transferring. Here you should allotment money due, allotment money received. So for receiving the first one, what is their bank account debtor? Bank account debtor to share allotment we need to credit. share allotment money received. Easily you can get marks, okay, if you remember these journal entries. Easy to remember also. Okay, allotment over. Now only one call, that means first and final call rupees 3, isn't it? So for that one, due share allotment, instead of allotment we should write share first and final call. First and final call. Account debtor to share capital. Share capital account. Call money, only one call, so we can write simply call. Call money due 3 rupees, isn't it? 3 into 24, 72. Already we have multiplied. Okay, 72,000. Now call money receiving. Okay, here bank account debtor. Bank account debtor to share first and final call account. Call money received. 72,000. Very easy one. Okay, for under subscription you have to remember that we have to take the subscribed shares. Okay, only this one you have to remember. Okay, under subscription only 24,000 we have to take and multiply, not 25,000. Okay students, now we will see over subscription. The opposite also can be done. Okay, under subscription it's very easy. We have to take what the how much was subscribed, that alone we need to take. But sometimes what will happen, more subscription, more application we may receive than what they have offered for sale. Okay, so more shares have been offered, not more so that they may subscribe more shares than that they have offered. Okay, so that is called over subscription. Here they have to deal with over subscription because what they can do, either they have to refund the excess amount. Okay, excess, if they have subscribed 10,000 shares and they have received for 12,000 shares, so how much is excess? 2,000. So they have to return, refund means they have to return back that 2,000 rupees to the applicants. Okay, that is refunding the application money. Otherwise what they will do now, they will adjust with the allotment. They will be adjusting the excess amount. That means they will not reject some of the application. All the applications will be selected as per their application. That means the application money. For example, one person might have purchased 100 shares, another person may be for 10 shares. Okay, here they may reduce. Okay, here around this both the persons share will be taken. Here what they can do, refund this 10 shares, they can refund, they can reject. Okay, but here they will accept all the shares, but they will be adjusting with the applications that they have received. All the applications will be accepted, but as per the applicants, some shares will be accepted, some will be rejected. Okay, here they may reject. Okay, then around 10 shares. Here they may reject 1 share. Okay, so that is called pro rata basis. Okay, they have to adjust the application money. That means they will allot. Here they are refunding this 2000 shares and they will allot all the other 10,000 shares. Okay, here each person's share will be adjusted and the remaining will be allotted. But what they have to do, this here 10 share and here 1 share, they will not refund but they will adjust with the allotment money. Okay, then when they make the allotment, they will reduce this amount and they will call for the remaining amount. Understood? Or they can do both. Okay, they can cancel some of the shares and the remaining they will accept. Both the combination of this both also they can do. Okay, that is how to treat the over subscription. Understood? So you know what is over subscription? When the number of shares applied are more than the shares offered to the public. Okay, that is called over subscription of shares. So here the directors are the persons to do this allotment. So at the time of allotment, they have to treat the excess applications that they receive, that is 2000. Either they will refund those, they will cancel the applications and they will send the money back to the applicants. Okay, or they will not refund, they will not cancel the application, but they will adjust with all applications. Okay, they may cancel some of the 10 shares, but they will not refund the money, but they will adjust that money with the at the time of allotment of shares. Okay, allotment money due, and at the time of receiving the allotment money, they will reduce this amount. Okay, then they will receive the remaining amount from those applicants. That is called pro rata basis. Okay, or some companies will do both the things. Some they will reject, and others applications they can do this pro rata allotment. Okay, now let us see the illustration. For over subscription, what is the treatment? Bharat Limited issued 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each to the public at par. That means face value, okay, not premium. Okay, the details of the amount payable on the shares are as follows. Application 5, allotment 3, first and final call 2. So totally 10. Application money was received for 1,20,000 shares. We have issued for 1 lakh shares, but applications received for 1,20,000. So how much is excess? Excess application 20,000 shares was refunded immediately. Okay, for this one only we need to prepare one entry. Past journal entries to record the above. So first one, for application money received, clearly given 1,20,000 shares, isn't it? So that is that first entries amount. Okay, bank account debtor to equity share application account, application money received. Here we don't take this 1 lakh. Here we are receiving for 1,20,000 shares into 5. 1,20,000 shares into 5 is equal to 6 lakhs. Okay. Now the transfer of application money to the share capital, we should not transfer all the 1,20,000. Here we should take 1 lakh into 5. Okay. See, equity share application account debtor to equity share capital account. Transfer of share application money to share capital account. Here you see 1 lakh into 5. Now the remaining 20,000 is there, isn't it? So again this equity share application is credited with 6 lakh. We have taken 5 lakh. That 1 lakh must be refunded. That is the second entry. Okay. Share excess application money was refunded. That one again we need to debit equity share application account data to bank account. We are refunding. So to bank account. Excess application share application money refunded. Okay. Now this one is the excess entry. Okay. This is the excess entry that we are writing than the other problems. Okay, the first two problems we have not done, only this one is excess. Then for excess application money, equity share, the same thing. Equity share application account data to, instead of equity share capital, we are repaying, refunding. So to bank account. Then all the other same only. But hereafter we have to take only the 1 lakh. Okay, not the 1,20,000. 1 lakh share only we need to take. So same entry, equity share allotment account data to equity share capital, share allotment money due 1 lakh into 3 lakhs. Then same we are receiving bank account data to equity share allotment money received 3 lakhs. Then first and final call, equity share first and final call account data to equity share capital account, share first and final call money due. Then receiving this call money, bank account data to equity share first and final call account, share first and final call money received, same 2 lakh. I think you might have understood this one. Okay, so let us do the exercise. Okay, third one. Okay, Saranya Limited issued 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each to the public at par. The details of the amount payable on the shares. Application 3, allotment 4, first and final call 3. Totally if you add you will get 10. Okay. Application money was received for 30,000 shares. Excess application money was refunded immediately. Past journal entries. Okay, the same entries. Only one excess entry. Okay, in the books of, first you write the number 3, isn't it? In the books of Saranya, journal entries. Okay, first one, bank account data to equity share given. So you write equity share application. Share application money received. Here, share application money received, you have to see 30,000 shares. Okay, share application money was received. 30,000 into 3. How much? 90,000. Now, how many shares we have offered to the public? 20,000. So 20,000 into 3 only we should transfer to share capital account. So you debit this one, equity share application account data to share capital account. You write fully, okay students? Then transfer of share application money to share capital account. So I told you 20,000 into 3 60,000. The remaining 30,000 we have refunded. So again debit the same thing, equity share application account debtor to bank account. So the same word you write. excess application money refunded. Excess application money refunded. How much? 30,000. That means 10,000 shares into 3, 30,000. Otherwise, if you deduct from here also, we will get the same amount. Now, we have to do as usual for the allotment and first and final call. For the allotment due, this one, isn't it? Equity share, allotment account debtor to equity share capital. Okay, here share allotment money due. Now you have to take only this 20,000. Forget about this 30. Okay, that one only for the application. Then for refunding. Okay, now this two over. Now you see only this 20,000 into 4. 20,000 into 4, 80,000. Then allotment money received. Bank account debtor. Equity share allotment account. Okay, share allotment money received. Okay, 20 into 4, 80,000, isn't it? The next one, first and final call, due. Okay, equity share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital. Share call risk call money due. Call money 20,000 into 3, 60,000. Then this money received. Okay, bank account debtor. You have to leave one line between two entries. Okay, bank account debtor to equity share first and final call account. Call money received. Amount is 60,000. Okay, completed. Okay, students. Students, we have seen three that exercise and illustration. In this oversubscription, how to refund the excess application money we have seen. Okay, then tomorrow we will see this pro rata allotment. Okay, how they adjust the excess application money that they have received as per the pro rata allotment. Okay, without refunding the excess money, or some both they can do. Okay, so each one we will see in each exercise and illustration, pro rata allotment and doing both. Some of the application they will refund and some they will adjust with the allotment money. Okay, thank you, students.